Good morning, students. Today we are going to read Chapter 3 of Economics, Class 9th, Poverty as Challenge, Part 2. In our previous module, we read about the poverty that what is poverty, in which situation we consider a person is suffering from poverty. Now let us talk about the poverty as seen by the social scientist, that how social scientists decide that a person is suffering from poverty. Poverty is looked through other social indicators like illiteracy level, lack of general resistance due to malnutrition when a person is not able to get nutrition value in his food, and lack of access to healthcare, lack of job opportunities, lack of access to safe drinking water, sanitation, etc. Analysis of poverty based on social exclusion and vulnerability is now becoming very common. These are the methods by which, or these are the factors by which social scientists see poverty. Now let us talk about the social exclusion. What is social exclusion? According to this concept, poverty must be seen in terms of poor having to live only in a poor surroundings with other poor people, excluded from enjoying social equality of better off people in better surroundings. For example, you are going to a place like a palace or a restaurant where you are sitting, and your nearest table is booked by some of the people. They are not looking well, they are not looking rich, they are having less standard of living. Then you will exclude them, you will not feel comfortable. You will see that if such type of people are sitting there, that place is not suitable for you, and you will avoid that particular place because of these people they are sitting around you. It means we people don't accept the people, their living is not better than us. Means we feel that we are superior one, and the people those are looking inferior, they are not able to sit around us, and they should be out of the society, they should be excluded from good sight. Now let us see about the vulnerability. What is vulnerability? Vulnerability to poverty. Proper word is vulnerability to poverty is the extent to which a community, person, society, country, etc. can be affected by the impact of poverty. Women, less paid worker, beggar, people living in low developed area, people living in slum areas, farm laborers, scheduled caste people, scheduled tribes people are almost vulnerable to poverty. It means the person who may be in future he will face the poverty is known as the vulnerability. Simply you can say vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describe the greater probability of certain communities, as we have discussed before. Say members of a backward caste or individual such as widow or a physically handicapped person, that these people definitely they will face in their future poverty, and they have vulnerability to poverty of becoming or remaining poor in the coming years or in future. Thank you. Next we will read in our next module.